So today we'll see how we can duplicate or clone pages and post in WordPress and why you need to do that, because you can make web pages more quickly. For example, if you're a newbie, then you can just duplicate or clone the existing page in your website and you can create other pages on your website. For example, you have about us page on your website and you want to create a team page. You can just copy the about us page, all the design and everything will be duplicated in another page, and you can just change the images and text and you can create a team page. The second reason, you can save original page content. For example, I am working on a team page on my website and somehow I messed that page. So in that case, you see, I already duplicated my original page, so I can always delete the pages I messed and I use the page I duplicated. So let's go and see how we can duplicate the most easy way. So this is about us page on my website. I want to duplicate or clone this page and use that duplicated page as team page. So first of all, you need to log in into WordPress backend. So now I'm inside WordPress dashboard. I'll go quickly to pages and check all the pages. As you can see now, there is no default functioning by WordPress to clone the pages. To achieve this functionality to duplicate or clone the pages, we are going to install a plugin. So from left sidebar, hover on plugins and then click on add new. Now we'll search for a plugin called Yoast Duplicate Post. So this plugin we are going to use to achieve the functionality of duplicating or cloning the pages or posts on a website. You can see they have more than 3 million active installation. They have almost 5-star rating. So click on install now. Once it is installed, click on activate. Okay, and now we'll go back to the website where we have all the pages listed, and I refresh the page. If you hover here, you can see the new option clone appears here. So now we can clone any page on our website. We can do same with page and post also. For example, if I clone the about us page, I click on clone and you can see there is a draft created. This is exact copy of the about us page. So it is how we duplicate or clone pages or posts in WordPress. Now I can edit this page and create this page as my team page. I can just change the title and images and I can use this page as a team page. So this is how you duplicate or clone the pages and post on WordPress. I hope you like the video. I highly recommend you to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated in your website game. Like this video, share with your friends and family who are learning how to create websites. Thank you so much. See you in another video.